Python is a powerful and flexible programming language, and I will be covering some of the key tools and libraries that make it the go-to choice for data scientists. Python is a popular data science programming language due to its open-source nature, easy learning, and extensive library collection. Its strong developer community continuously improves and supports these libraries, making it more powerful over time. Let's start with some core libraries. First, NumPy, which is used for numerical computations, especially working with arrays and matrices. Then we have Pandas, which is the go-to tool for data manipulation. It's especially useful for working with structured data like tables. For data visualization, we often use Matplotlib for basic plots. Further, we use Seaborn when we need more advanced statistical plots. Lastly, SciPy provides advanced computing functionality, making it perfect for scientific applications. When working with large datasets, efficiency matters. Pandas is great for most tasks, but for even bigger datasets, you'll want something like Dask, which can process data in parallel to speed things up. Similarly, VX is designed for efficiently handling huge datasets that don't fit into memory, making it useful for big data analytics. Data visualization is key to understanding trends and insights. Matplotlib is one of the most widely used libraries for basic charts like line plots and bar graphs. Seaborn builds on Matplotlib and is better for creating more advanced and aesthetic statistical plots, like heat maps. For interactive visualizations, tools like Plotly and Bokeh are incredibly useful, especially when building dashboards or reports where users can interact with the data. Scikit-learn is a popular machine learning library for classical tasks like regression, classification, and clustering. TensorFlow, a Google-created framework, is used for deep learning, with Keras enhancing model building. PyTorch, developed by Facebook, is a versatile deep learning library for research. When it comes to data mining or web scraping, Scrapy is a great tool for collecting data from websites, while Beautiful Soup helps in parsing and navigating through HTML or XML documents. For big data, we have PySpark, which is based on Apache Spark and allows for distributed computing, making it capable of handling massive datasets. For scientific computing and statistical analysis, SciPy comes in handy with its range of functions for complex math, while StatsModels is great for estimating statistical models and running tests. If you need to work with symbolic math, SymPy is the go-to library, and for Bayesian statistics, PyMC3 provides robust modeling capabilities. For natural language processing or working with text data, NLTK is a comprehensive library with all the basic tools. spaCy is much faster and more efficient for large-scale NLP tasks, while GenSim is used for things like topic modeling and document similarity, which can be useful for understanding and summarizing large text datasets. When it comes to deep learning, TensorFlow and Keras are widely used together for building and training neural networks. Keras makes TensorFlow more user-friendly, especially for beginners. PyTorch, on the other hand, offers more flexibility and is preferred by researchers for experimenting with custom models. Python's ecosystem for data science is incredibly rich. From data manipulation to machine learning, visualization, and deep learning, Python has a library for every task. Choosing the right tool depends on the specific job you're doing, but with so many powerful options available, Python remains a top choice for data scientists across industries. Thank you.